add option. Here, select ensemble calendar. Hello.
Yeah, go on. I'm hearing.
Site. This time I have new site calendar. Press enter. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Select that new calendar. Go to modify option. Yes, sir. And then go to detailed work week. In this one, select the work week option downside. Work week.
Right.
Then here in this work week list, you can select and how many working days for yourself.
Right.
So it is, if it is Monday to Friday, you can select only Monday to Friday. In case 6 days working day, Monday to Saturday you have to select.
Right.
Whatever your option you have to choose. That is weekdays.
Okay.
And then here date. This is the time I have selected 9:30. Okay. Okay, sir.
Right. 9:30 to 1
1.
o'clock, 12. 9:30 to 1 o'clock.
1. Make it as work. Then select 1:30 to 5:30. Make it as work. Now, for the selected working weekdays, like Monday to Saturday, this working hours will be applied. This is general shift.
Right.
In case any different working hours, you have to set that working hour. In case of 12-hour shift means, if it is 9-hour shift, now we are taking general shift. This site means 12-hour shift means.
Right.
Evening 1 hour. Morning 1.5 hours have taken. Okay. Yes, sir. Hello.
No, you made it as non-worker.
No, sir. Just you can see now. 8 o'clock the work starts.
Made that as non-work.
Yes, sir. Please listen, sir.
Okay.
8 to 10. 2 hours.
Okay.
10 to 10:30 is non-working hour. Some break.
Okay.
10:30 to 1, another 2.5 hours. And then 1 to 1:30 break. From 1:30 to 6:30, sorry, 1:30 to 4. Work. So 2.5 hours. So 2.5 plus 2.5, 4 plus 2, 6. Yes.
Okay.
And then from 4:30 to 6:30, continuous work will be there. So 2 plus 2 plus 5, 9 hours plus 1.5 hours. Break.
Okay.
So how many hours working hour? How
8.
many hours? 9 hours is regular routine hour. Break hour is 1.5 hours per day.
Right.
How many hours?
10.5.
10.5 hours. Understood, sir? For site, I have set this calendar. Or factory, any condition. Factory means 12 hours duty also that. 12 hours, 10 hours, 9 hours is normal office. In IT type building like BPO or any other jobs, It's maybe 8 hour shift, like 6 to 2, 2 to 10, and then 10 to 6, like that. They will have different shifts. That shifts we have to
Right.
include here. Yes, sir. Clear?
Okay.
Then click OK. Now, if you click, you can see this one. The detailed hour or working hours. You can see 9 hours.
Hmm.
Is within this 9 hours, that 1.5 hours is included as the break hour.
Right. So, but in total work hours, it will show you only actual work hours, 9
Actual
hours.
work hours 9 hours, plus in this bit, in between these two, you can see 10 to 10:30, 1 to 1:30, and then 4 to 4:30.
Right.
You have to add that as a working hour. So it is 9 plus 1.5 hours, 10.5 hours. Okay. And then here holiday, here March 12th, select work, select non-work.
Okay.
Then
But can we give why that is a non-work? Can we put like
yes,
say
not possible, sir. Here it
February
is not.
12th is some vacation, or say,
No, sir. It is not possible in this software.
or you can't put the reason for why it is a holiday, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Next is March 23rd, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's birthday. That's the holiday.
Hmm.
And then April 14th,
Hmm.
non-work, and then April 12th or 13th, one more day is non-work day. That is a Yugadi. You told us
Hmm.
Yugadi. Like that, you have
Yes.
to enter number of holidays. In case of site, Dr. Ambedkar's working, maybe non-working day.
Hmm.
So in this case, we can make it as work or standard. Because site
What
is
is standard?
different. Site is different. Standard means you can see some standard settings. Default to standard.
Okay.
Make it
What
as
you
a
had set as work hours, that will become standard.
the calendar settings.
But still, it is showing what you had set as the work hour. No, only that it is showing. No.
That is the calendar, standard calendar.
Okay. So when you make it non-work, and I click on work again, then it will come back to the same thing, right?
Yes, maybe, sir. That is work means it is different. But how to set a standard.
Okay.
Okay, sir, clear?
Okay, done.
So in this way, how to create calendar, because office may be a general shift 9:30 to 5:30 or 9 to 6, like the sometimes some standard timings, standard shifts will be there. You have to add the standard shift or hello, like that you have to
Yes.
create the calendar, sir.
Okay.
Now it's clear.
Clear.
So the doubt is clear now.
Yes, yes, my doubt is cleared.
Next, we are getting into project. Shall I go? Shall we go to the project
Okay.
now? I will say we have to select one EPS. Yes, sir.
Okay.
One EPS or sub EPS also you can select.
Okay.
Here you can see one plus button.
Oh, right.
You can now it is the project control.
Okay.
Now, or you can go to select one EPS. Before that, in this go to projects. Here you can see this option only you have to select, sir. Or right click new project also possible. Select. Okay, sir, here only. New project, here steps are EPS you have to select. Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. Can you get the screen?
Yeah, now I'm getting it.
So some internet is unstable. Now, new project is ready. So once again, I'll do it.
Yeah. Can you delete this project?
Yes, sir. Why not?
Okay.
So we can delete one project also, sir. See, select plus button. You can select any, or we can change any EPS from the list. Enterprises
Okay.
projects from the list from here also. Okay.
Okay.
Then click next button.
Hmm.
Here project code you have to set. Project name is sample. Okay.
Okay.
Here in the step 2, what you have to do is project ID and then project name.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Done.
Done. Next, we have to go to
Plan start date. Okay.
just a minute, sir. Hello.
Yeah.
Next will be appropriate starting date of the project.
Okay.
That is planned starting date. Any date you can choose. It will be current date.
Okay.
You can choose any appropriate. It is not the proper date. While scheduling only, we have to select the proper scheduling date. It is maybe appropriate.
Okay.
It is not a correct. And then select this one. And then must finish means it's not compulsory. Everything is appropriate
Only.
only.
Yeah.
Everything is
Only if there is
appropriate.
a fixed deadline, then you can put must finish by.
Yeah. That's also we have to set in the project stage only. Activity stages only. This is a general information. No need.
Okay.
Go to next option. Response manager you have to choose. Actually, we have to choose the project manager, but I can choose a VP. But actually,
Okay.
project manager is the response person for any project in our technical side. So it's maybe any, if you are running some 10 projects also, for 10 projects, project manager is the response person.
Right.
Next, select that response manager here. Click next. That is project rating calculation system now. That is assignment rate system. Here, normally, standard rate means based on our internal settings. That is the salary based.
Okay.
External rate contract. Standard means general standard. External rate contract slabs. Internal rate.
Internal rate.
Some salary calculations. Because for because one project manager can deal 5 sites in a month. But if he is a salary person, means we can't calculate it for individual projects.
Okay.
So we can put as internal rate. Generally, we have to use standard rate system only.
Okay.
Other systems are price per unit 4, price per unit 5. That is some of that in the construction, some of the area we have to consume or obtain some resources from as a contract or at the time of the work only. Example, welder, fitter, carpenter, electrician, plumber. These guys may be contract at the time of work only they will come. Yes.
Okay.
We can use it as price per unit 4 or price per unit 5. Generally, project
Okay.
means a standard rate only we have to follow. That is defines the progress rate. General progress rate. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Next. So now we are getting into final stage of our project. Just click finish. Now you can see, sir, one project is
Right.
ready. And then in general, you can see project ID. Here also we can edit.
Okay.
Sample, active means current, inactive means ideal stage. Some of the times it's maybe ideal. Example, Mumbai, Ahmedabad bullet train, where sometimes they may be planned nowadays, sometimes inactive.
Right.
Same, or now we are doing in the planning stage, we are not going to do anything means planned condition. What's means check-in condition, checking condition. Okay. Normally active, you have to leave it as active. If you want to do any changes means you can check it here.
No, what is the difference between this? If active, I understand. Inactive also understand. But if it is in planned or you leave it in what if stage, does it affect
The
any
active
calculation
means
here?
it is maybe planned and tracking. Both we can do. In planning itself, two stages are the planning stage, execution stage. But planned means only planning stage. Execution may be later.
Okay.
Planning anyone can do, but execution is the real-time execution. I think you can understood the word.
Okay.
That it may be later. So active means it's may plan plus execution, both.
No, but selecting any of these, does it affect the project calculations or anything?
So except inactive and stage, it will not affect anything.
Okay.
So you have leave as it is, and then response manager, project level priority. Here only you have to set up level priorities.
Okay.
Here 10 is a very low, so 1 to 100. Very critical means you have set as 100. High priority project. So we can't stop, we can't delay, or sorry, we can't do any float. 50 means normal track. 10 means low priority. Okay, sir. Clear or not clear?
Clear.
Next is check-in. Check-in means we are progressing, work progress status. Checkout means finishing date.
Okay.
Checkout date you have to give. Next is
this checkout date is nothing but the project completion date, huh?
maybe.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
So that date will not calculate from your.
Yeah, after that only it is appropriate date only you have to give here. No need of it is appropriate, mandatory, not the compulsory. It is called mandatory.
Okay.
Next is any.
It's mandatory to give this date?
Yeah, these two fields are mandatory, not compulsory. Mandatory means optional.
Optional is mandatory and compulsory is compulsory. Mandatory is in fact one step above compulsory. Compulsory it may be, but when it is mandatory, then you just have to put it. There is no other choice that you have.
Yeah, like that only. But no need of fill these fields. Just leave as it is. Empty only. Any
Okay.
condition means any conditions insisted by project manager means that time only you have to fill.
Okay.
At the normal case stage, no need.
Okay.
Next is project website. Any project website you can for our project you have to browse and launch it
Hmm.
for the references.
Okay.
Next is notebook. Here same as the projects. See
Hmm.
objectives of this
Like what we
project.
had learnt in EPS.
Same thing. See constraints and then rationalities. Any
Hmm.
changes, corrective action if it is any corrective action planned, and then recent accommodations like these topics, and then modify, select one topic and then modify, you can add the contents.
Okay.
Clear?
Clear.
So add the contents, images, anything, links and everything. Third is budget log, same as that EPS. Here I have put 3, 4, 5. Okay, sir. Some 5 lakhs.
Okay.
And then after that add option. Here amount 2,50,000. Responsible person some X. Okay. Here approved means that will be added to the list, or not
Hmm.
approved means removed. Pending means as usual. Approved means you can see both the end. So this is maybe stockholders, loans, other area we can add it, sir.
Okay.
This is an additional. This is an additional resources for our project.
Okay.
And then this for this project per month, how much I am planning to spend, expenses, salary, EB bill, rent, everything you have to add it here.
Hmm.
Other expenses already you know about this.
This is monthly, right?
Yes, monthly expenses. Here we
Hmm.
can't change the date. We can enter some expected spending plan.
Okay.
And then here benefit plan means loan rebate, vendors rebate, something profit
Hmm.
here. Okay, this is a profit, this is the
Hmm.
expenses side.
Hmm.
So you have to fill. It's not compulsory, but filling is essential, sir, just for the calculations.
Okay.
So we have to calculate the project cost only from the resources, not from here. This is a mandatory budget.
Hmm.
Then budget summary you can see, sir.
Current budget 7,50,000. Current variance. Where did this current variance come from?
Current budget minus the current spending plan. You can take this one, sir. Current budget 7 lakh
But where is
50,000.
this coming?
Current budget is 7 lakh 50,000. Current variance is 1 lakh 80,000. Here, this area.
That 1,80,000 came from the spending plan, right?
Yes, spending plan. It will be minus from the budget. So 5 lakh
Okay.
70,000, and then this is an additional benefit for us,
Okay.
not added with the budget.
Hmm.
Okay, clear or not clear?
Yeah, clear.
Dates, it should be mandatory, not compulsory. Here also anticipated
Hmm.
date and everything. Actual state is actual start and other thing. We have to do it later.
Okay.
And then funding. Here go to enterprises funding sources. Here add a funding source. Sample. Okay. Here maybe 2 or 3 type of fundings, maybe loan or financing, FIN, financing. About them for our project, who is the financing, and then shares, that is tax. You are according to the terms tax. Okay, sir. Stocks.
Okay.
About the stocks and everything, and then like that, what are all the financial resources that we are going to finance for this project? You have to add it in the funding. Funding is enterprises funding sources. Just add this button. If you have submits, we get sub also.
Okay.
Okay.
Understood.
Close it. From this funding plan add option, here the same fund, financee. How much fund he is there having? Just close it. So 5 lakhs. How much of the fund share? 50%. Add. Like that stock in S1. 3 lakhs. Okay. Like that, you have to
Okay.
add what are all the funding sources. This will not be this option will not be available in MSP. Next is codes, project code. So while creating project self, they will give some project reference. Go to enterprises. Clear? What is this?
Project code.
Here, add it. New sample. S1. Okay. Add and then make it a sub. P1. Because everything is a multi-crore project. Hello, sir. Everything is a multi-crore project. What you have to do is project code is compulsory for us, sir. Close. Then assign. Here you can see that I have created sample project. Just assign there. For your before starting every project, they will give this one.
Okay.
Just project with the project code only better. So defaults in the sense, what are the defaults method of calculations? Here units under this thing. Calendar only here you can see, sir. Standard office calendar. Okay, here task reference code. Sample, yes, sample 1. Okay. And then here starts with 1 or 2 or like this. Starts with 1, increment should be 1. So it's a sample 1. Sample 2, sample 3 it will take. And then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Or sample here 10. And then increment should be 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40 like that it will take, sir.
Right.
And one more thing is cost accounting. Cost accounting is nothing but spending account, sir. Because these softwares are used only in the multi-crore projects, or mainly for multi-crore, not for small projects.
Okay.
For multi-crore, what you have to do is enterprises cost accounts. So we must have to create open some separate account for this project to receive income or to spend plan. Electronic payment only permissible.
Okay.
So what account is cost account? Add here A sample S1. Sample. Okay, and then here add option. In case P1. project. Sometime I have used SAM. So for that, from that main account, from the main company account, you have to create some sub accounts.
Okay.
This account, through this account only, he have to spend every. We will receive money or we will spend the money.
Okay.
It's under this modification plan. It is which bank, which what is the type of account, whether it is a savings account or current account or like that you have to give, because if you have multi-crore project means savings account, one normal savings account will be there, regular account. Hello. For safety, they will provide one fixed deposit.
Yeah, my
fixed.
internet is.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
For that project and other sectors, one fixed account or current account must be have compulsory in the name of company as a
Right.
backup account.
Hmm.
Because if any loss in the current main savings account means this current account will come to save backup.
Right.
Right, sir? Two accounts you have to provide. Compulsory.
Okay.
Same as to the current project. Backup account is 50 to 70%. You have to give the backup account. I'm right, sir?
Okay.
Whether I'm correct?
Okay.
And then resources, these are some standard rating system, settings and calculations default. This is
Okay.
general project, sir. I have stopped.
What
it
is there in
after
settings?
settings is nothing but general settings. Here you can see last summary is done, how summary is to WBS level.
Okay.
Fiscal year starts on which date? You can start with fiscal year March, April, or January from the regular
April.
like this, or baseline. What is the setting baseline? User baseline or primary baseline? Total float is equal to how much hours, like this you can set. That is the constraint ratio.
Hmm. But longest. Okay. Now, what difference will it make if I select the longest path as critical activities?
Yes, sir.
What is the difference?
Total float means we can set some constraint to the floating. That will be constraint, that is permissible in the delay.
Okay.
In case if you take any railway project, government of India railway projects, we can't calculate anything. Or health basis project also nowadays. Nowadays health basis project example, anti-vaccination production. So whether you can calculate anything.
No.
So put longest, no calculations. We can do
No.
anything.
What I'm trying to. No, my point is, see, critical path is the one where the float is zero. Activities where float is zero is a critical path.
Yes, sir. Not that, sir. Equivalent less than or equal to how many hours you have to set. That is total float permissible. Understood, sir?
No, but in hours, say.
In the how many hours or how many days?
Is,
that is suppose after after adding, now project is over, sir. Tomorrow I will add some activities to the project. Based on our activities, what you have to do, some permissible delay in that real time. It will calculate it. We have to give some 50 hours. Understood?
No, I got that. What I'm trying to tell you is, say, I am putting 1 day as total float less than or equal to 1 day if I put.
Yeah.
What will Primavera calculate in that 1 day versus if I tell it go on the longest path?
Sir, if you give the longest path means no tracking period. Simply. It may be extended any period. Simply. No tracking. No float.
How will you not?
Because
how will you not
because
track?
in some of the project we have to do like that only, sir. Example, railway project. Example, Mumbai Metro to Mumbai to Ahmedabad bullet train. We can't do anything because funding for sources and other thing, environmental condition. It may extend 200 times or 300 times also sometimes. In another example is Chennai Elevated Express. CE. 2008 they are planned it, 2010 they are taking out, but due to some objections, project is totally abandoned. That is Chennai Port Trust to Chennai Pundamalli 56 kilometer overbridge. 2018 they, after that death of this XCF, they are giving green signal, but it is not yet started. So in these cases, you have to use longest track. Longest track means no end. No end.
But can you change this later on when the project is going on? You know that okay, now things are.
After that also we can change, sir.
Okay.
Some of the government projects we have to do like this. Now Corona period, anti-vaccination crisis also under this condition only. We can't expect anything in the normal time. We have to wait for some process.
Okay.
We have to wait for some process. Okay. Based on the result of the process only, we have to come to a conclusion.
Okay, done.
Understood, sir? This is the general project settings. Yeah. So tomorrow I will add teach how to add the activities to the project.
Okay, done.
Clear, sir?
Clear. I'll review all this and I'll note down my doubts, and tomorrow I'll send it to you by WhatsApp so that you have the doubts earlier on.
Sure, sir. No problem. Take care, sir. Good night.
Okay. Take care too. Thanks for the class. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Mr.